Hi, good morning. Hope to be able. So, I recorded a video myself working, and people are making masaka and I'm coming back again. Giving, and that's as usual. Again, that's how we are. We give reasons to things that we have no idea about. We assume things, and we do conclusions without asking questions. So if the person leaves loopholes, we try to fill them without finding out exactly what it is. But it's okay, I understand. I don't have a problem. And to be honest with you, I'm too used to this. I've done this work as a journalist for years, and I've had backlash, have been loved, and that is what has gotten me here. I've also had reactions, and Madame and a brother sending me what my brother Kelvin Taylor said. I find it interesting, although it sounds like grocery, as he said himself, that he's not bullying me, he's just being nice, and that he wants to buy me a new Camry, 2022 Camry, because what I'm using can crash. Into a crash, I might die. I like that sense of reason and a sense of showing care to me. Somebody that who once had issues with me. It's okay. It's fine. I love it. But that's for the gesture. To be honest with you, there are few people, very, very few, who had actually called to find out what is really going on. One is maybe I'm a start here. I must say thank you to Father Dixon. Why? Because he gave me the opportunity to be a journalist, medical school of farm, and he had confidence in me, gave me that job, and I think I also proved myself that I could do it and do it well. And he showed some level of care, like what's going on, what's happening. That's good. I love that. And then another big person that I really deeply love, I just don't want to mention the name. He also showed some concern, and I love that. I thank you. But man, me hoche more Ghana and I'm free Ghana. That's not what I said. I didn't say that. Please don't put words in my mouth or try to make a fuss out of this. I did not say so. My son needs supervision, so I had to leave everything I'm doing. I'm not rich, I'm not perfect, I have needs too. We are not, and to be honest, so for back I'm so for me we didn't have what the better angel, a good man, very good man. While mommy lunch crapping. I love him so much, and he has said so. People like us who are that powerful when it comes to elections, how we behave and how we, a few people like Nipansia, and I'm one of them. I love the way you rate me so high. That's it. Thank you. I've done my best in terms of that direction. I tried to do my best. And so he was surprised, like as in say, it's maybe to meet I should watch that and check that. Otherwise, you lose the quality of the people they have as journalists out there. Akatua de na many mkwini century akatua pa de because of papa number. Yes, you'll be submitting 50,000 a month. No, I don't take that kind of money. With the name I have and all that, that's not what I take. But my salary is not that bad. Even mine, that is not that bad. Anyone will be asked, and so you can compare that to others. And see, sometimes you get a lot of letters demanding things from us, which we are not able to. We are able to a few, but we are not able to because we don't have that much. If what I take I'm renting, and if it's not like I live in my own home in Ghana and I'm in rent here, I probably would not find myself in a good area or a good environment. You know what I mean? Or a 2 or 3 bedroom, I might not be able to rent it. So it's not anyone will be asked. We try to live just like you do all the time in Ghana. You and I am managing, but my son needed supervision, so I had to go out. And means me, my bills were high, very high. What I have saved, if I decide to use that to pay bills and watch him and monitor him and get him on the right track, all my savings will be gone because I had Danka, a bill. Watch as a bill, 18,000s of dollars. Until you need to work to be able to pay your bills, rent, your utility bills, food that you eat and all that. To me from essential government now. I need to do something. And as a journalist, I cannot use my journalism to work here unless I upgrade. Even that, I don't know where I'll start from. So I needed to start something. Makes me a little surprised is the fact that I've worked for years, and it took Kelvin to tell me that but it's all good. It's all good. I like that gesture. I thank you so much for thinking about me in that manner, and the gesture you just gave me. That's it. God bless you. Let me shout. For the first time, he called me a woman, and that's good. It's a good start. A good start, Manager Hunty. Thank you. And thank all of you. My Facebook messages in those who have shown love. And to be honest with you, after posting this, I had a lot of people sending messages they are encouraged by what I said. Somebody who needed to do something like that, if Ghana with a big job came here doing nothing and had to do something like that, not in ferry or but with my sharing my experience, he has decided that he will do it. So because he cannot just sit down doing nothing. So if somebody like me is doing it, he will also do it. And he's not the only person. There are other people who have sent me so many messages. So those who are doing that kind of job in Ghana, people saying never pay and stuff like that. Look at my money and to say chrono, and to whatever that gives you money and it excites you. I love driving. So that was the first thing that came to mind. And people have been giving me ideas of what I can do with it, which is great. I opened up and they're opening up to me. But people say, which is better than what you think I'm doing. You can offer me that. I'll take it. All right? Okay. Ciao.